Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe something you liked very much which you bought for your home. You should say what you bought, when and where you bought it, why you chose this particular thing, and explain why you liked it so much.
One thing that I really liked and bought for my home was a comfortable and stylish armchair. I purchased it last year from a furniture store in my city. I chose this particular armchair for several reasons. Firstly, I was looking for something that was both comfortable and functional. I wanted a piece of furniture that I could sit in for long periods of time, whether I was reading, watching TV, or just relaxing. Secondly, I wanted an armchair that was aesthetically pleasing and would complement the decor of my living room. I have a modern and minimalist style, so I was looking for something that was sleek and simple, yet still had a bit of personality. Finally, I was also looking for an armchair that was made of high-quality materials and would last for many years to come. I wanted something that was both durable and easy to clean. The armchair that I chose met all of my criteria. It is made of a soft and comfortable fabric that is easy to maintain, and it has a simple yet stylish design that complements my living room perfectly. It's also extremely comfortable and supportive, which makes it the perfect spot for relaxing after a long day. What I love most about this armchair is how it has transformed my living room into a cozy and inviting space. It's the perfect addition to my home, and I'm so glad that I chose it. Whenever I sit in the armchair, I feel instantly relaxed and at ease, and it's become one of my favorite spots in the house. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.